Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's November 18th, 2025, and it's around 9:40, and it's pretty dark. I think it was 42 degrees, and the sun is trying to pop out. Forecast says rain again. Way over there, I see some blue, and none to the west. Today we have to drive to Prosser so my wife can see her heart doctor. Have better facilities down there than Yakima. Yakima is all about greed. Healthcare system really likes to gouge your hair. They don't care about you other than the money. So we're heading down there, and then we gotta pick up some feed for the animals. My son Charlie's here today, day off. So we normally do stuff on his day off around the farm when he can, but I won't be here, so I'm sure he's got enough stuff to do without me. The wind keeps blowing my wife's deer down in the yard. Anyway,